congratulate the IDA and Orbit for coming up with this initiative. I think it's a wonderful platform to promote oral care, oral health and oral hygiene. It's something that I've always believed in as a child. My mother always told me, you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day. And even today, every time I brush my teeth, I think of my mother. Also to my wonderful dentist who's given me such a lovely smile and such wonderful teeth. But most importantly, I think to Orbit, that's helped me maintain my oral hygiene. Due to my hectic schedule, it's as simple as carrying something as small as that in my handbag. And I must share a little anecdote with all of you. Because I carry this bottle of Orbit with me in my handbag every time I'm traveling or whenever I step out of the house. Whenever somebody needs chewing gum, a lot of times people just take for granted that they don't have to carry their own because they know more than 100% that I will always have a little sachet with me in my handbag. It's something that I'm actually sort of addicted to. Every time I eat something, every time I drink something, I have to chew Orbit sugar-free chewing gum. It's just an extension of everything that I do in my daily life. I've always believed that a brand ambassador is an extension of the brand itself. And similarly for me, I think a brand for me is an extension of my personality, what I stand for, what I believe in. I'm approached by several brands every day, but for me I think it's about quality over quantity, and to be able to identify with what the brand wants to say, to who they want to say it to, and I have to feel natural about the association, about the product, about what they want to say. So yeah, I think in simple words, I think it's for me a brand association is an extension of my personality. What dentists manage to do is to make you so confident about your teeth and about your smile. It actually puts a smile on your own face and on other people's faces, and what more do you want than to see happy people? Well, she just asked me if I would be a dentist if I was not an actor. No, I don't think so. I don't think I'm happy. I'm happy just chewing Orbit sugar-free chewing gum. I really don't want to be the dentist. No, it needs too much qualification. किसी मिठाई को avoid नहीं करना चाहिए. You should eat everything as long as you take care of your teeth, as long as you brush regularly, as long as you eat Orbit sugar-free chewing gum every day. Yeah, and as long as you maintain oral hygiene, you can eat absolutely anything. I think for me, Shah Rukh has the best smile, because it's not just about the smile, but it's also the energy that he sort of gives out along with his smile and the dimples that he and I both share. I'm someone who's always believed in being physically fit and healthy. And for me, my oral care is an extension of that. A lot of people neglect their teeth. They neglect oral hygiene. But I think it's as important as the food that you eat, or the way, like going to a gym is important to a lot of people. And I think oral care has to be as important.